Hello, future programmers. So, today I'm going to tell you how to create your own QR code. You all must have heard about or seen a lot of QR codes. So, today we're going to create one QR code for this Python official website. You can see that www.python.org. In this video, we are going to see, but first of all, let me tell you what is QR code. So QR is a short for quick response. A QR code is a type of matrix barcode that was first designed in 1994 for the automotive industry in Japan. A barcode is a basically machine readable optical label that contains information about the item to which it is attached. And let me tell you the difference between QR code or barcode. So while QR codes and barcodes are similar in practice, QR codes contain more information because they have the ability to hold information both horizontally and vertically. So barcodes only use horizontal information. So there are many types of QR code: static QR code, dynamic QR code, you know. So let's just see how we can create this QR code. So first of all, I have already installed this QR code module. You have to install this module first in order to see how to create a QR code with Python. So what this module is actually, this module is basically used to create QR codes. It is designed to be as simple as possible. It does this by using sane defaults and auto detection to make creating a QR code very simple. So once we have installed it, we can import it like this inside a Python script. Okay, so you can see that I'm importing this module. After that, I am writing the website from which I need to create a QR code one. So I am writing www.python.org and storing it in data. And then I am creating a QR code by using PyQR code module. In this we have dot create function method, and inside this we have to write the website or from which we need to create a QR code. Okay, and then we are storing it in .png format with proper scaling. Okay, so now let's just run this code, and once we are running it, you can see that we have keyword website.png here, this png. Now if we click it, you can see that we have created it, and when you're going to scan it, it will automatically redirect you to python.org website. So this is how you can create your own QR code. Here you just need to write your website or any website from which you want to make a QR code, and then you can good to go. So I hope you find this video helpful, useful. If you like it, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.